how come there's so many Christians and they're not satisfied? Because they don't realize they're seeking for what God can give them. They're seeking for natural bread, but they don't understand the thing that's going to satisfy you on the inside. Jesus is the bread. Jesus is the drink. When you walk into the presence of the living God, you're not going to be thinking, can I get another waffle? You're going to be thinking, can I get up off the floor under my own power? You're going to be thinking, I ain't never felt no drink like this. I've never felt no drug like this. I've never felt anything like this before. Don't think you're going to enter into the presence of the living God and sit there and think, I wonder if there's, a golden corral open. You're going to be on your face.